Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2022 is 5 cents. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to boost their crypto returns. Nonetheless, Ramp's previous execution has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. Notwithstanding that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the cryptographic money market, with promising future outcomes. Assuming you're interested about the cost of Ramp, you're perfectly located. In this video, we've summed up Ramp cost expectations, from Ramp cost today to average cost, current cost, past execution, verifiable information, least cost, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme cost, as well as thinking about whether Ramp coin is supposed to be a wise venture for what's in store. For our exhaustive Ramp cost conjecture, continue to peruse. What is Ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-tie driving stage intended to help DeFi reception. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to expand their yields. Ramp engages clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins flawlessly across various blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a component of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity, and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol as utilized. This framework expands capital productivity as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack numerous yield streams without a moment's delay. This framework permits both RUSD and EUSD holders to get, loan, or trade their tokens unreservedly, and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get esteem back on the coins they hold. Ramp's one-of-a-kind selling point is the means by which it furnishes clients with the least getting charges and probably the most elevated store yields on insurance resources. Ramp specialized investigation. Ramp's creation was fundamentally incited by the soaring development of the marking economy. And as this development raises, the cost of Ramp coin is likewise liable to increment. Like other digital currencies, there is a restricted greatest inventory of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be printed, and any Ramp consumed is forever taken out from course. This makes Ramp DeFi safe to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A larger part of crypto lovers are likewise putting down their wagers entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise speculation. Ramp major investigation. A larger part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market whole. The Ramp stage is great for fighting this issue and enabling non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors an extraordinary market potential with superb possibilities arriving at new highs later on. This proficient framework permits clients to appreciate exceptional yields on speculation on their resources and all the while remove liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of highlights, including yield-cultivating potential open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp furnishes clients with an unmistakable situation to procure huge benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious digital money market hole. Ramp current cost. Ramp has moved 0.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $785. Ramp is as of now positioned 417 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $33,066,629 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ramp to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ramp value expectation 2022. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Ramp cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 10 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 9 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of 8 cents. Ramp value expectation 2023. In 2023, Ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Ramp will before long outperform 17 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Ramp's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 13 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 15 cents. Ramp value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 24 cents and Ramp might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 22 cents and a low of 20 cents in 2024. Ramp Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Ramp effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Ramp will be green in 2025. The Ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 31 cents, with a base cost of 27 cents and a typical cost of 29 cents. Ramp Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 36 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 34 cents anticipated before the year's end. Ramp Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 43 cents. In the event that Ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 45 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Ramp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 41 cents. Ramp Value Expectation 2028. So the base exchange cost has been set at 48 cents and a yearly cost close above 52 cents in 2028. Ramp Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Ramp will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 55 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 59 cents, averaging out at 57 cents. Ramp Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ramp cost in 2030 is projected to be 68 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 65 cents. Our ramp value forecasts are planned on specialized investigation, as it were. We utilize a few specialized pointers, including MACD, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, moving midpoints, and trend lines. Our estimates utilize ongoing ramp digital currency market information, permitting us to refresh our site with dynamic ramp cost expectations. Examine our ramp cost expectations beneath. And interoperability is the future of blockchain and DeFi, and is a center mission that Ramp DeFi holds on. This focuses to the one-of-a-kind and maybe even progressive potential Ramp holds to turn into the sign of DeFi, giving new open doors to DeFi financial backers and advancing the smooth motion of assets. With more prominent interconnection, there will be higher worth exchange to Ramp, a dependable sign for consistent future development.